Our gospel this morning is taken from Mark chapter 2, beginning at verse 13 up to 17. With our society today, being judgmental is very common. Giving unnecessary comments is like having a simple conversation. Giving backhanded compliments is very rampant to all age. We tend to do or say bad things one way or another. Lain man siyang paminawon apan kinaya na gyud kini sa kadaghanan. Kinaya na kini nato. We judge people by their appearance. We judge people by their past. We judge people with their family background. We judge people by their preferences. We judge people by their mistakes, committed crimes, and sins. No one is exempted. All of us tend to experience being judgmental to one another. Dili man nato kining mabantayan, apan sa simple rato nga istorya, nakapangtamay na day kita sa uban. Mas dali pa gani siguro ang manaway kaysa sa mudayeg. Mas dali pang manghilabot kaysa sa musabot. Dili man ipangutana pero I'm sure all of us have experienced nga mang-judge ug ma-judge. Kitang tanan dili ganahan i-judge sa atong isig kataw. Being judged by others could lower our self-confidence. It could break our self-esteem. But then again, nganong dili man nato mahunong ang manghilabot sa uban? Nganong dili man nato mahunong ang kinaiya nga maghukom sa atong mga isig kataw base sa iyang nabuhat nga sala? These characteristics are not even new. Dili na kini mga bag-o. It has been a long time characteristic of humanity. These characteristics can be seen in our gospel this morning, wherein it was mentioned that a scribe, who was also a Pharisee, questioned why Jesus would dine together with tax collectors and sinners. Bisan pa man sa buhi pa si Jesus Christ, na siya sa kalibutan, naa na kining batasan nga manghilabot sa usa ka tawo. Ang mga scribes kaniadto kay mga magtutudlo kini silag mga balaod. Sa ato pa, mga maalamon kini sila, mga daghan og kahibalo, labi na sa balaod. Magtutudlo kini silag balaod, but at the same time, mga Pariseo. Sa ako pangagiingon, Pharisees kay mga kontrabida sa kinabuhi ni Jesus. Kaniadto. Let us now talk directly about what happened in our gospel. In Mark chapter 2, verse 13 to 17. Atong masinati nga mibalik na si Jesus sa daplin sa lanaw sa Galilea. Didto, daghang panon sa katawhan ang midugo kaniya o gitudluan niya sila. Sa dihang milakaw si Jesus, adunay usa ka kobrador sa buhis or tax collector nga ginganlag Levi. Gitawag niya kini para mosunod kaniya. Sa way pagduha-duha, misunod ang maong kobrador sa buhis ug nag-andam kinig kumbira sa iyang panimalay. At his house, many tax collectors and other outcasts were seen dining together with Jesus. Back in those days, kung ikaw usa ka maniningil og buhis or tax collector, makasasala ang tan-aw sa imo because tax collector during those times were known to be notorious in collecting money from people. Daghan niini sa ila ang magminaro, sobra-sobra kung manukot, isog nga mga tawo, ug dili mo sabot kung naay mo balibad. Tax collectors during those times were commonly known to be bad people. There were also those people who were called outcasts. Mao ni silang mga tao nga sinlikway sa ilang mga kapwa, mga wala nagibali-bali sa mga tao. These people may have also sinned and were witnessed by some and left being condemned. As they were all dining together sa maong dapit, adunay pipila ka scribes or mga magtutudlo sa balaod nga nakakita ni ining panghitabo. Naka-witness sa panagsalo-salo ni Jesus Christ with the tax collectors ug mga tawang ginganlag mga sinners. Sa ilang katingala, ilang gipangutana ang ubang mga disipulo ni Jesus kung nganong nahitabo man kini o gitugot ni Jesus nga makigsalo-salo siya sa makasasala. O di ba, nang judge na sila. But Jesus heard them and answered, wala magkinahanglan og mananambal ang mga tao nga maayog lawas, kundili ang mga masakiton lamang. Wala akong muanhi sa pagdapit sa mga matarong, kundili sa mga makasasala. Jesus then defended the tax collectors and other outcasts because they were being judged again by people. They were judged by people who do not truly understand the essence of being understanding, forgiving, and being compassionate. Atong balikan pag-usab ang maong tubag ni Jesus sa mga Pariseo. Wala magkinahanglan og mananambal ang mga tao nga maayog lawas, kundili ang masakiton lamang. What does Jesus meant by masakiton lamang? Does he literally mean those people who are sick and in need of medication? Ang pasabot ba ni Jesus nga masakiton nga mga tao katubang literal nga nagsakit ug nanginahanglan og mga tambal? No. Jesus meant those people who have made mistakes, who have committed crimes, those people who have sinned. Why would Jesus help them? Why would Jesus help this kind of people when they've became bad and evil? Ngano kaha? Nganong kinahanglan kining tabangan ni Jesus? That is because Jesus wants to help them and save them. Jesus wants to save them and renew them. Mother Mary gave birth to Jesus Christ to save us sinners, kitang tanan nga makasasala. Gipakataw si Jesus aron luwason kitang mga makasasala. Again, aron luwason kita ug bag-uhon kita. The birth of Jesus Christ and the life of Jesus meant salvation for all. Kaluwasan sa tanan ug dili lang kay kaluwasan sa pipila ug mga pinili. Because walay pinili si Jesus. It was equal and fair salvation for us all. Jesus dining with the tax collectors and the outcasts, who were considered sinners during those times, was already a big step in helping them, in saving them. During those times, Jesus were already vastly known that he is the Son of God. Jesus were performing miracles, healing the sick people, and teaching people. And a lot of people nagsunod na kan Jesus. He was already well known during those times, pero sa walay pagduha-duha, nakigsalo siya kanila sa mga tax collectors o sa uban pang mga makasasala. Jesus did not judge them. Walay paghukom si Jesus kanila. Not a hint of disappointment can be seen in him because he truly meant helping and saving them. In our society today, being judgmental is very common. Being judgmental meant we are showing a characteristic of a Pharisee. And a Pharisee is a kontrabida and a hilabtunon back in the life of Jesus. Kita mo sigurong tanan dili ganahan mahisama sa mga Pariseo, di ba? We all want to be one and incline with Jesus. With that being said, let us try to be a little less of being a judgmental. Let us try to refrain ourselves from giving unnecessary comments. Mga di na bito kinahanglan pa nga ipuna nimo sa imong isig katawo. Let us try to refrain ourselves from giving backhanded compliments. Kana tuod nga nagdaig ka sa iya pero lahi di ay mong pasabot. But then again, we cannot do all things on our own accord. Dili na to mausab atong kaugalingon sa ato ala nga mga pamaagi. We have to ask God's divine mercy in touching our hearts and minds and help us renew ourselves. With that being prayed, let us all try to be nicer and kind to one another. Let us all try to be understanding, forgiving, and become more compassionate towards others. Let us help ourselves and the people around us. Let us stop the hate and judgment. Mao kini natong ibanghilyo. All glory belongs to God.